Youth Week is an annual statewide celebration of young people and the positive contributions we make to our community. The theme of this year is Becoming with Others We Dream. This year we celebrate personal growth both individually and within our community, with a focus on how we can dream ourselves a better world and use our skills, love, care and knowledge to bring others up with us. Because to become in this world, we need to dream with others.